Kochwoler ne komiti mar od bura madayo dho jotend migepe mogwel. Kindiki bende oyango ni sani en kod mwandu manengogi nyalo romo $694 kowuok $544 mane en go kane pok oyiere kaka jatend migawo e tielo mokwongo. Kindiki okoni mago oting'o utene 2 kod nyamburko mage ka thoth omenda go noyudo kowuok e kambine mar okil.
I have not benefited from any improper business. I have not done any business with government. Let's start from there. I have not applied for any tender by myself, by proxy, by relative, or by anybody. Mr. Speaker, before I was appointed, my wealth was at $544 million. I said at that time, which I still do now, that I've run a business, which today I do not participate in that business. I don't practice law, but my law firm is alive and working, and much of that revenue has actually come through the revenue from my law firm, which is still active but being managed by other people. I think all my salary and allowances have been spent in paying bills. Therefore, most of the increment in my net worth is because of 3 things. One, the legal fees, some of which was actually pending by the time I was being appointed. And I said it here, that there are some unpaid legal fees, which some of them were paid. In fact, I remember 2 months after I was appointed, one of the clients paid a significant amount of legal fees, which had been pending. Other than that, I do small businesses and so forth and so on. None of my money has come from the public except the salary and the allowances that I'm entitled to.